Keeping your car's interior clean and protected from dirt, water, and wear is essential for maintaining its value and overall appeal. Investing in high-quality car floor mats is one of the easiest ways to safeguard your vehicle's floors from damage while adding comfort and style. In this video, we'll review the 5 best car floor mats available today, helping you find the perfect fit for your car's needs. Let's dive in and explore the top options for durability, protection, and style. Kicking off our list at number 1, MAXLINER All-Weather Floor Mats. The MAXLINER All-Weather Floor Mats are designed to provide comprehensive protection for your vehicle's interior against dirt, water, and spills. These mats are custom fit for specific car models, ensuring a perfect fit that covers all exposed areas. Made from durable materials, they offer maximum defense against wear and tear, making them an excellent investment for car owners who want long-lasting protection. Key features: MAXLINER mats feature a raised lip that helps trap spills and dirt, keeping them contained and away from the car's carpeting. The anti-skid design ensures that the mats stay in place during use, preventing them from sliding around under your feet. They are made from eco-friendly materials that are easy to clean and maintain, providing a hassle-free solution for protecting your vehicle. Benefits and usage: these all-weather mats are ideal for use in any climate, from heavy rain to snow and mud. They offer exceptional protection against stains and damage, making them perfect for families, pet owners, or anyone who frequently encounters harsh weather conditions. Cleaning the mats is simple. Just remove them from the car and rinse them off with water. Usability: MAXLINER all-weather floor mats are designed for easy installation and removal, making them convenient to use. Their custom-fit design ensures that they cover all necessary areas, protecting your car's carpet from dirt, water, and debris. The non-slip surface adds to the overall safety and comfort of driving. Durability: these mats are made from high-quality materials that are built to last. They are resistant to cracking, warping, and fading, even after prolonged exposure to harsh weather. The durable construction ensures that they can withstand heavy use and maintain their effectiveness for years to come. In the second spot, we have 3D MAXpider Kagu. The 3D MAXpider Kagu floor mats are designed with advanced technology to offer maximum protection and style for your vehicle's interior. These mats combine a 3-layer design that provides superior durability, comfort, and waterproofing. The sleek, minimalist appearance makes them a great choice for drivers who value aesthetics as well as functionality. Key features: the 3-layer construction of these mats includes a thermoplastic rubber surface that resists water, dirt, and grime, an XB foam middle layer for added comfort and noise insulation, and an anti-skid backing that keeps the mats securely in place. The surface is designed to be easy to clean while maintaining a stylish appearance that complements any vehicle interior. Benefits and usage: the 3D MAXpider Kagu mats offer superior protection from liquids and debris while providing a luxurious feel underfoot. The middle layer's foam insulation reduces road noise and adds comfort, making your ride smoother and quieter. These mats are suitable for all weather conditions and are easy to clean with soap and water. Usability: these mats are custom fit for specific vehicle models, ensuring a snug fit that doesn't interfere with pedals or foot movement. The anti-skid backing prevents them from sliding around, enhancing safety while driving. Installation is quick and easy, and the mats can be removed just as effortlessly for cleaning. Durability: the 3D MAXpider Kagu floor mats are built to last, with high-quality materials that resist wear and tear from daily use. The waterproof surface protects against stains, while the durable design ensures long-lasting performance. Even after extended use, these mats will maintain their form and functionality, offering excellent value for your money. Coming in at number 3 is the BDK Original Premium. The BDK Original Premium floor mats are designed to provide affordable yet reliable protection for your vehicle's interior. These mats are made from high-quality rubber materials that offer excellent durability and defense against dirt, mud, and spills. Their universal design makes them a versatile option that can fit most vehicles, providing great coverage and protection at a budget-friendly price. Key features: BDK mats feature deep ridges and grooves that help trap dirt, water, and debris, preventing them from spreading across your car's flooring. The heavy-duty rubber construction makes them tough enough to handle all kinds of weather, from rain to snow, and the anti-slip backing ensures that the mats stay in place during use. Benefits and usage. These mats are perfect for drivers looking for a simple yet effective solution for protecting their car's interior. They offer great coverage and are easy to install, making them a hassle-free choice for everyday use. Their rugged design makes them ideal for use in all seasons, keeping your car's floors clean and free from damage. Usability. BDK mats are designed to be easy to install and remove, making them convenient for routine cleaning. Their universal fit means they can be trimmed to fit most vehicle types, ensuring proper coverage without compromising on functionality. The non-slip backing ensures the mats stay securely in place, even during heavy use. Durability. Built from tough rubber materials, BDK Original Premium floor mats are highly durable and resistant to cracking or warping. They are designed to withstand daily wear and tear, providing long-lasting protection for your car's interior. With proper care, these mats will hold up well over time, making them a reliable option for budget-conscious buyers. Taking our fourth spot is Armor All Heavy Duty. Armor All Heavy Duty floor mats are engineered for drivers who need maximum protection from extreme conditions. Known for their strength and durability, these mats are made from heavy-duty rubber that can handle mud, snow, water, and even chemicals. Whether you're off-roading or driving in harsh weather, these mats will keep your vehicle's interior protected. Key features. These mats feature a deep tread pattern that traps dirt and liquids, preventing them from spreading across your car's carpet. The heavy-duty rubber construction ensures that the mats are resistant to cracking, fading, and wear. The anti-slip backing keeps them securely in place, while the trim-to-fit design ensures they can accommodate a wide range of vehicles. Benefits and usage. Armor All Heavy-Duty floor mats are designed to handle the toughest conditions, making them perfect for drivers who frequently deal with extreme weather or rough terrain. The deep grooves keep mud and water contained, while the durable rubber ensures that the mats won't be damaged by chemicals or heavy use. Cleaning is as simple as hosing them off. Usability. These mats are easy to install and can be trimmed to fit most vehicles, making them a versatile option for any car owner. The anti-slip backing ensures that they stay in place during use, providing safety and comfort while driving. They are also easy to clean and maintain, making them ideal for drivers who need low-maintenance protection. Durability. Built from heavy-duty rubber, Armor All mats are designed to last, even under the harshest conditions. They are resistant to damage from chemicals, UV exposure, and extreme temperatures, ensuring they maintain their form and functionality over time. With proper care, these mats can offer years of reliable protection for your car's interior. And finally, at number 5, we have OEDRO floor mats. The OEDRO floor mats are custom fit for specific vehicle models, offering maximum protection with a perfect fit. These mats are made from durable, non-toxic materials that are designed to withstand tough conditions while providing a safe and comfortable surface for your feet. The OEDRO mats are ideal for drivers who want premium protection with a sleek, custom look. Key features. OEDRO mats feature a high-edge design that keeps dirt, water, and debris contained within the mat, preventing spills from reaching your vehicle's carpet. They are made from TP, thermoplastic elastomer, material that is resistant to wear, scratches, and cracks. The non-slip surface and backing ensure the mats stay in place during use, providing a safe and secure driving experience. Benefits and usage. These mats are designed for drivers who need maximum protection from dirt, mud, and liquids while maintaining a stylish interior. The TP material is not only durable but also easy to clean, making it a low-maintenance option for busy drivers. Whether you're dealing with snow, rain, or everyday messes, OEDRO mats keep your car's interior clean and protected. Usability. OEDRO mats are custom fit for specific car models, ensuring that they fit snugly and provide complete coverage. They are easy to install and remove, making cleaning and maintenance a breeze. The non-slip surface adds comfort and safety, ensuring the mats stay securely in place even in tough driving conditions. Durability. Made from high-quality TP material, OEDRO floor mats are designed to withstand heavy use and harsh conditions. They are resistant to wear and tear, ensuring long-lasting performance. With their durable construction and easy maintenance, These mats provide excellent value for car owners who want premium protection for their vehicle's interior. In conclusion, investing in the right car floor mats can make a big difference in keeping your vehicle's interior clean and protected. Whether you're looking for heavy-duty protection, a sleek design, or an affordable option, the 5 products we've reviewed, MAXLINER, 3D MAXpider Kagu, BDK Original Premium, Armor All, and OEDRO, offer a range of options to suit your needs. Choose the one that fits your lifestyle and driving conditions and enjoy a cleaner, more comfortable ride. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.